Welcome back to the Marketing Ninja Podcast with Manuel Suarez, CEO of attention-grabbing media and author of #1 bestseller, Marketing Magic.
Now, I'm going to take it one step further, and I'm going to show you something. There are things called GPTs. If you guys don't know what GPTs are, you can ask ChatGPT for the definition of it. Generative pre-transformer, whatever, right? Like it's a tool that's going to, based on your input, going to give you back a response. Check this out. These are free. When you click over here on the left, there's one that says Explore GPTs. There's some really cool things in there. If I click on Explore GPTs and I go to any of these things, you'll find things like, for example, right now, Canva just released their own GPT, and you can create images in there with Canvas, and they're free. Canvas is like one of the most legendary tools for graphic designers. So just like that, with a few communications, a few prompts, you can get all kinds of stuff going. This is what I actually tried today that I want to share with you. One of the GPTs that I tried is this one right here by VEED. Let's see how fast I can create a 60-second video for Instagram, for Reels or TikTok without having to me actually do the video myself. So I'm going to click on Let's Create a Video. You come over here, Wendy. You. Tell me. Answer these questions for me. You can stand right here and answer these questions. What is the primary message or goal of the video? You want to get clients?
Yes.
Get clients for what?
For my services.
For my services. What are your services?
We're a medical spa, so we do facials, fillers, Botox.
Oh, fillers. Fillers.
Yes, sir.
Botox.
Laser. And weight loss.
And weight loss. Okay. Okay, good. That's good enough. So question number 2. It's 5 questions only. Actually 4. Who is the target audience for this video? You know your business. Who's your ideal customer?
Men and women between 20 to 60.
Wow, that's a big range.
I know.
You're 60 and you're still looking for Botox. You're still motivated. You're still inspired. That want to look better and feel healthier.
Yes.
Let's say that. Okay. What tone or mood are you aiming to achieve? So I'm going to answer it for you.
Yes.
I'm going to say keep it light and have a sense of humor and make it friendly. Okay. And last point. How long would you like your video to be?
60 seconds.
All right. Let's do 60 seconds. Why 60 seconds? Because we live on an era with very short attention span. So let's go. Let's see what it says right now. Thanks for the detail. That helps a lot. Let's start crafting a script for your 60-second video aimed at showcasing your beauty and wellness services. Here's a draft outline. Here's the mind-blowing part. This is where it gets crazy. Look at the question that he's asking me right here. Would you like to choose a male or female voice for the voiceover, or would you prefer one of our avatars like Avery, Devin, Isabella, Noah, Lily, or Mateo? What does that mean? Am I going to put a face of an avatar, or do I want to just have a voiceover? Which one would you like to see?
Voiceover.
Okay, let's do voiceover, okay? Do you want a female or male voiceover?
Female.
Okay, female voiceover. All right. Okay, starting action. Dun, dun, dun. What is it going to do? Are you kidding me? Don't tell me it's going to make a video. All right, I'm going to allow it to do this with me. It's asking permission, which is very nice. Your video was generated successfully. Click here to edit and watch your video. Okay, so it's going to open up a new platform, okay? It says we're finishing up your video. That's cool. Applying the final touches to it. Did somebody time that? How long was that? Okay. Of course. We're going to see what it puts out, right? But the fact that we can do this, just the fact that I can sit down and do this in a couple of minutes or less by answering a few questions is absolutely insane. It is science fiction. It's what we used to see in movies and wonder how ridiculous is somebody is visualizing all this stuff. And it is part of the world that we live in today. So it's at 41% right now, applying the final touches. And it's also going to give me the ability to tweak it, to edit it, to adjust it, to remove one of the elements that it did. Whatever it is, I'm going to have the final say about what I put out there. Now, let's say that you want to start getting this machine rolling. These guys are running a business. You're going to have to pay them a little bit, $30, something like that. And you can create an enormous amount of it. So this is a software that they have integrated with ChatGPT. This is just one of many options that are available, one that I started playing with today. And they're trying to get people to subscribe to the program so you can do this thing with them. So let's see what it did. Okay, let's listen to it. 53 seconds long. Okay.
Are you ready to unlock your best self? Imagine looking in the mirror and loving every reflection you see. At your clinic name, we believe that beauty and health go hand in hand. Whether it's rejuvenating facials, precision fillers, expert Botox treatments, cutting-edge laser services, or tailored weight loss plans, we've got you covered. Why choose us? Because we're committed to not just enhancing your beauty, but boosting your confidence with a touch of humor that makes every visit enjoyable. Join our family of happy clients from ages 20 to 60 who trust us to keep them looking fabulous and feeling fantastic. It's time to treat yourself. Visit us at your clinic's location or website, and let's make your wellness journey unforgettable. Because when you feel good, you look even better.
Wow, that's cool, right? That's like a mic drop moment right there. If it wasn't that expensive, I would drop it. But they're expensive. All right, they're expensive.
Hey, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the podcast, go ahead, leave us a review and subscribe to tune in for future episodes. And if you're looking for a team that'll go above and beyond for you and your brand, go to talktoaninja.com today.